Okay, hello everyone. I'm here someone Joshua. In this video, I'm going to review the Android obfuscator named Obfuscapk. This is a repository by this guy, Claudio. I cannot spell his name, but the obfuscator is a very good obfuscator. It has some plugins for obfuscating, and the plugins are good enough for the aim of obfuscation. These are the list of its obfuscators, plugins I mean. So I'm going to work on an APK named 2048. It's a puzzle game. First of all, I want to install this application. This is the pure application. It has no obfuscation. It directly downloaded from Google. So install 2048.apk. So we are going to start this application. It's a normal application. You can play with it. As you can see, not very good. But okay. So this is the application. Let's install it. But we are going to obfuscate this application and check if it's working or not. Actually, you should be familiar with smali code, so if the APK has any errors, you can check the smali code and the ADB logcat to find the source of error. Maybe there are some errors from obfuscation or some other exceptions that you may handle. I have written a shell script for obfuscating running Obfuscapk, the tool I mean, for running it, but let's because it's created with root, we cannot open it. Okay, but the architecture is this. I have listed some of the plugins here. I mean, these plugins. I used them in this order. Actually, using the order of the obfuscators are very important. After these are for cleaning some build files and making a backup of it. And after that, I'm going to run the obfuscator. Actually, for obfuscape, I have created a shell script file, which is here. I mean, user in. And as you can see, it's a Docker script for working with Obfuscapk, and you can find how to install this tool using Docker in here. Okay, so it's here, and this is the shell script I've created with the information from this repository, Obfuscapk repository. Okay, and after creating the obfuscator, in each step only one obfuscator is working on the file. After that, after obfuscating, I'm going to again rebuild it with APK tool. I have faced some problems with rebuild of Obfuscate, so I've rebuilt it with APK tool, and after that I'm going to sign it with Uber APK signer, and after that I'm going to uninstall the previously installed game. This is the name of the game, and this is the name of obfuscated class names, which is going to be renamed with class rename obfuscator. So I uninstall both of them. After that I'm going to install the APK, and then I'm going to back up the APK, and after that I'm going to print a message to check if the APK, if the obfuscated APK is working or not. So this is the logic of my script, but I have added this one there now for clearing the output. So let's start with no output and see the result. Okay, cleaning files, running obfuscated method overload. Here is the script and here is the emulator. It's running the method overload with obfuscate. It's obfuscating now, and after the obfuscator finished its working, it's going to rebuild with APK tool, resign it and sign it with Uber APK signer. It's going to build native APK using APK tool. Still waiting. Signing the APK, reinstalling APK, and now we are going to check if after method overload the game is working or not, and as you can see it's working. So the second obfuscator reorder will be applied on the method overloaded APK. I mean, the second obfuscator is being applied on the previous APK, not the pure one, previously obfuscated APK. So the new generated APK after reorder has to obfuscate. Has two obfuscators. One is method overload and the second is reorder. Okay, now we are waiting for the new APK. It's going to uninstall first and then reinstall. APK is going to build. Actually, it's building. It's signing. The APK has been uninstalled, and again it's going to install. So where is it? It seems that there is a problem in installing new APK. So it's the problem of my script. It's not problem of obfuscator. But we can check with what's not. Okay, so it seems that it's okay now. Let me clear it. So again, the pure APK is replaced with the obfuscated APK. Here I'm going to run with obfuscate.sh. There are some logs here, as you can see. So method overload is working. Okay. The obfuscator is working. It seems that it's done. Building new APK using the APK tool. Okay, signing it with this, and uninstalling has 2 errors because no one is installed before. So I start the APK. As you can see, method overload is working. And now it's a game. Okay, the reorder is working. Waiting for it to be finished. It's done. Now using APK tool, it's going to be built. There are something here. So there's an error in here. Okay. So let me pause the video and I'm going to check if it's going to be corrected or not. Okay, finally I found the error, and as you can see, the reorder is worked without any problem. Now it's method renames term. But what was the error? The error was this APK tool not working with the latest build tools Android manifest, no resource identifier found, blah blah blah, something like this. I had to delete this one.apk from APK tool library, and after deleting it, I could rebuild the APK using APK tool. And as you can see, after method rename, it's working again. And let's check if the APK is working or not. Yes, it's working without any problem. Now the random manifest is going to be installed, and let's check. After random manifest, let's minimize it, and this is the directory, and as you can see, new files are generated. This is the APK with one method overload. This is the same APK with method rename. This is the same with reorder, and this is the random manifest which is going to be installed. It's building resource, building APK file, and okay. So random manifest is applied, and as you can see again, it's working without any problem. Let's play some game. Fill the class rename. Okay, class rename is a very interesting plugin, because after the class rename, this line will not be work, because the class will be renamed to this class name. Okay, it's working. APK file, okay. And as you can see, now the clustering has been applied, and this file is working with renamed class. Let's check this is reflection obfuscator. It's going to be done. As you can see now, the unknown package is the main package and the obfuscated class name is working. So instead of this line, now this line is working. And let's check if after reflection the application is working or not. Yes, till now it's working without any problem. Now we can play games. Okay, the application is uninstalled, and after advanced reflection, let's check if it's working or not. Yes, it's working without any problem. Okay, this is the arithmetic branch, which I suppose it's adding some dummy arithmetic operation to the application. Okay, let's download another tool to view the obfuscated APK. Its name is JEDX. Okay. Arithmetic branch. Wait, please. Not working. I'm not sure why, but let's again check if the application is working or not after arithmetic branch. It's working. Now it's obfuscating with calling direction, and here I'm going to download JEDX. Okay, where is it? JEDX. That's it. Okay. After now, the calling direction is applied, and as you can see, the application is working without any problem. But after adding some encryption methods the application load speed will be decreased. Because of encryption and decryption process. I mean, you can notice the speed of application loading after using encryption. Because every string in the APK actually constant strings. Every constant string in the APK will be decrypted while it's being accessed. So there are lots of decryption operations in the application. So because of that, the application load speed is very slow now. As you can see, it was slower than before. Okay. Now debug removal is being applied, so we are going to use the JADX to let me extract it here. It's a binary file. Open terminal here. Oh, what was the problem? It was the jar signer problem. Okay. It's a jar signer problem, and it's not mine, so I can continue JADX GUI. And let's check if the application is working or not. It's working without any problem. Okay, here is the JADX for viewing the compiled version of the APK. Android obfuscation. This is the main file. It's a pure file without any encryption. As you can see, the package is here. Come Android baby game 2048. It is the main activity, and as you can see, there are some codes here. But now I'm going to open, for example, after field rename. Let's say field rename finish its work. Waiting, still waiting. Where is field rename? Okay. Field rename. Okay, here it is. There are lots of obfuscations applied on this file, and as you can see, the class names has been changed. So I suppose one of these was main activity. It's not. Maybe this. No. No, but as you can see, every string has been changed with decrypted string. This. No. And it added some arithmetic operations, useless arithmetic operations, some method reflection, some method rename, and lots of obfuscations till now. Actually, there are other obfuscators which is going to be applied. So after using lots of obfuscations, I mean till here, because it's in this phase it's going to obfuscate using lib encryption, library encryption. So library encryption is the last encryptor, obfuscator, and till now I can start the game without any problem. And here is the last one, library encryption. Let's check. Okay, it's building using APK tool. Resources, APK. Okay, success, done. So now all the obfuscators has been applied on this game, and as you can see the game is working, actually slowly, but it's working. But the new APK, the last APK I mean, the last APK is the new one. It's not similar to the main one, the pure one I mean. As you can see, it has been obfuscated very badly, and obfuscating it needs lots of effort, but there are the obfuscation method in JetX, so I'm using the obfuscation tool. But again, as you can see, it's not as much readable. I suppose that it's removed some arithmetic operations, some useless arithmetic operations maybe, but no, it's still here. It's still here, and I didn't know what exactly the obfuscation tool did. So okay, till now I showed you the using of Obfuscapk tool for obfuscating APK files. Till next video, have good time.